And on this night, I want to remember that moment when now he's leaving the beloved city of Medina. I don't know how many of you understand even that statement alone. I'm attached to this city. I've had many chances to leave this city. I just can't. It's my beloved Toronto. I'll always chant for the Leafs. That's my bimari. What do I do? This was the city of not only his family, but his Nana Rasulullah. Ran in the cities, in the streets of this city. And now he has to leave this city. The caravan now is getting ready to leave Medina. Imam Husayn makes his way towards the grave of Rasulullah. There's two stops that he made. Of many, but two stops I want to mention tonight. One stop is when he went to the grave of Rasulullah, and one stop is when he said his goodbye to his mother, Fatima Zahra. Two different relationships, two different forms of Husayn. He marched towards Rasulullah, the man on a mission, stern, strong, committed, ready. Nana, I'm leaving Medina now. Your ummah needs a reform in Islam. I'm going to reform the nation of yours. They've deviated. They've accepted him as their Khalifa. Like a soldier to his captain, almost saluting him, saying, I'm going. But when he went to his mother Fatima, Husayn was different. There were moments of weakness, for lack of a better word, and I'm sorry to use that word, for someone as valiant as Imam Husayn. There were two moments that break my heart, that showed me that there is a human side, if I can use that word, for Imam Husayn. One was when he was approaching his mother. One was when he let Ali Akbar go to the Maidan of Karbala. And both of them are very similar. In what way? Ali Akbar now mounts the horse. He says every so often, Ali Akbar, when you can go inside the Maidan of Karbala, just turn your face towards me so I can be told who I'm going towards. Ali Akbar now enters the Maidan of Karbala, but he sees that there's somebody behind him. He looks behind him, a 57-year-old father stumbling behind the horse of Ali Akbar, getting up and falling, getting up and falling. Ali Akbar gets off the horse. Baba, you gave me ijazat, Baba. That same Husayn now is leaving Medina, walking towards his mother, stumbling towards his mother's grave. Amma, I'm leaving Medina now, Amma. I'm leaving Medina now, Amma. Just take me into your arms. Let me know everything will be all right. Husayn says his khulafisi, and now the qafilas are ready. The caravans are ready. All the men now are there. Everyone is loading up the luggage. Out come the women. Out come the children. And then a voice can be heard. A voice can be heard. Everyone please move back. Lower your gaze. Zainab, the daughter of Ali, is coming out of her home. All the men now move back. All the men lower their gaze. Zainab comes. Kishan says she comes, Zainab. Ali Akbar is there. Abbas is there. All the Muhammad are there. Husayn is there. Let me go ahead and mount you on this camel, Zainab. All of her soldiers, all of her lions are there to welcome the daughter of Fatima. This beautiful individual now, with so much respect now, she's mounted onto her her camel, moving towards Karbala. And now take your hearts to the 11th of Muharram. After Sham-e Ghariba, this qafla once again now is ready to move towards Kufa and Sham. All the women are there, all the children are there. Zainab is standing there, Kulthum is standing there. She mounts Kulthum on the camel. Zainab stands there by herself. Hey Zainab, that was Medina. This is Karbala. There is no Ali Akbar. There is no Husayn. Matam Husayn, Ya Husayn, Ya Husayn.